Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. Today is day 4 of our mystery fingering D-Stash Advent along. This is by Teal Torch Knits. This is her card. Sorry about that. I was just reading something that was on the back of the card that I did not notice in videos 1, 2, or 3. So I will go ahead and say it now. This is her sock minis. They are 75-25 superwash merino and nylon. And there is, each one is 20 grams and 92 yards. So, I have a playlist linked below for videos 1, 2, and 3. Let's see what we got today. Number 4. Ooh, that's pretty. I know just before I pull this out, I know who is going to, like, go crazy over this color. Look at that beautiful, beautiful purple. I have never tried Teal Torch knits before. And if she considers this one of her one-offs or her mistakes, then wow. Because that is pretty. That is very pretty. That was day 4. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.